Blocker.
That's my name. Don't wear it out.
Hi, I'm Bob Blocker, and I'm here with the Mighty Putty.
Yeah.
You know what, sir? It sounds like you could use something to do. Perhaps maybe.
Hi, I'm Bob Blocker, and I'm here with the OxyClean.
You keep going. I'm gonna find something creative for you to do.
Hi, I'm Bob Blocker.
Let me ask you, sir. You ever run laps before?
Yes, sir, I have multiple times. Remember, I was an underboss in a gang.
Yeah, it's about to happen again.
Bob Blocker.
Fucking Jet. That's crazy, bro.
Bob Blacker.
I'm gonna make that my ringtone. Just you two going back and forth saying Bob Blacker.
Yo, what's good, Stu?
Stupid.
Sammy as a fucking cadet. You fucking crazy, bro. I don't believe this shit.
Nigga don't believe
You got no faith in the boy.
Hey, what can I say, dog? I turned their life around. I made them better men.
2 days, man. I can do 2 days.
Oh, 2 days? That's all I need to have my blue vest. We gonna see. This is already the first day.
Oh my god, this shit's crazy.
Oh, nah, you ain't gonna make it. I'm sending this straight to Chief. Yeah, you good and done, buddy.
Bob Blacker.
Bob Blacker. There you go. That's Bob Blacker for you.
We got people wishing on our downfall already, man. Damn.
Yo, I'm gonna place bets in the streets. Watch. I'm gonna take bets.
That's crazy. You better make a good profit.
I'm gonna go out run game in the streets. 2 days is my bet.
Damn, we gotta beat that. Bob Blacker, you gotta help us.
Of course, I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna make you strong and smart.
Maybe you're not a bitch.
We already got egg burn outside.
I'm sorry. Maybe I'm not a what?
Excuse me, please. Bob Blacker, I need you, bro.
Who needs Bob Blacker?
Excuse me. I need to talk
Bob Blacker.
to Bob Blacker, I don't know.
Hold on, sir. I'm coming down the stairs. Slide away,
Bob
Mr.
Blacker.
Miss Baked Goods. Yes, sir. How may I help you?
Come here.
Okay, you two be right here when I get back. I got something for that.
Where else we gonna go?
Oh, what's up?
Oh, what's up, boss?
I need you outside, bro.
What's going on outside, boss?
So, we gotta put his car there outside, and then he fight me. So I say, so I tell him relax, cool. So he never understand me.
Let me go outside and take a look. Y'all two better be here when I get back. Matter of fact, all y'all better be in place.
All right, Bob Blacker.
Stop!
Quitter lui. Dois-moi quitter lui. Dois-moi quitter lui.
Watch out. Make a hole.
Very fucking lucky.
Yeah, he's been punching everybody, Bob.
And now he's going to jail.
Ouais, m'bo sang.
What's going on, party people? All right, here's the dealio. He logged out when I tried to cuff him, as per usual. But if he comes back and starts punching again, just call me back out here and I hit his ass again.
Okay, thank you.
Appreciate you. Thank you, fine citizens.
Bye.
What the hell is absolutely not? Back up, back up. Fucking God.
Hey, Bumble. Yo, why you taking me, bro?
Yeah, I'm get.
Whenever my dad. Bagaço, tanto, não?
Am I doing?
What in the hell? Why is people? Hey, stop fighting. Hey, quit punching. Quit
Nah,
punching.
he is spooky
Hey,
first.
it does not matter. I'm gonna have to arrest all three of you, and you won't stop punching. Back up and let me deal with him. Back up. Back up.
How you gonna arrest them and you arrest me? Don't do that.
They hit me, homie. They fucking hit me, homie.
With your pussy ass.
Hey, listen. If you two want this cadet shit to work, you absolutely cannot be in the lobby throwing punches. Absolutely not. If somebody starts hitting you, you come get me.
Absolutely not.
Ball blacker.
No.
Chirking, you
With
gotta
your
get ready.
pussy ass. You so fucking pussy, bitch. You see them fighting, you ain't gonna handcuff them.
Yeah, I'm gonna kill you. Fuck, I wasn't planning on this dumb shit, you asshole.
No, please.
What do
All
you
right,
want?
ma'am, you are under arrest at this time. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you do or say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you by the court free of charge. Do you understand these rights if I've read them to you?
You have the right.
I ain't got shit to say to you, bitch.
Ma'am, do you want to resist the charge or do you want to stop running?
You understand
Do
these
I
rights?
want to do what?
Do you want to stop running around so I can properly process you or do you want a resisting charge?
How you doing today?
Fantastic. Resisting it is.
All right.
Hey, perfect, Jacob. I need to borrow this car. I got someone who doesn't want to stop running. Thank you. I'm just using it to process.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm just booking this guy.
Hey, when you're done booking him, could you please throw a 1.7 on mine?
Yeah, I got you.
Appreciate you, Jake and Bait. Need to see your ID, miss.
You said a 1.7 on there?
Correct the mundo.
All right, I got you.
Bear with me 1 second, man, while I type out your charges.
You're good, man. Got y'all set up. We go get this guy.
With your pussies, I want you to ride them out. They gonna kill your pussies. Go to the clothing store, bitch.
No, ma'am, we're not going anywhere. We're only sitting here to
Hurry up
process.
and process this shit so I can get the fuck out.
Ma'am, if you're uncomfortable, I can roll down the window while I process.
I don't, boy, shut the fuck up and let me the fuck out. Hurry up, take me to jail.
Did the night not go how you planned, ma'am?
Okay.
You can give her 2.6 as well.
Oh, yes, sir. I already wrote that one in. I'm 2 steps ahead, boss.
Don't nobody give a fuck. Pussy ass nigga, I beat your ass. Hurry up and take me to jail.
I'm writing your charges, miss. You'll be ready to go in a minute.
Hurry your slow ass up, bitch. You slow fat.
All right, ma'am. Today you are going to be arrested for the following violations: 3.2, 3.1, 1.7, 2.6, 2.4, and lastly but not least, the 3.5.
I don't give a fuck. I got about 100. Get me out first. Next.
That's fine. We can throw you in jail 100 times. I mean, it could be...
Okay. Let me the fuck out.
Oh, absolutely. Let's see.
You was bored as fuck. You ain't got shit to do. Nothing to do, bitch. Nothing to do, bitch. Hurry up, hurry up.
All right, ma'am, your charges are finished. I gotta search you before I get you in the jail, and then we can get going.
Okay. Hey, matter of fact, I'm about to I got my other phone right here. I'm about to get on my other account and come back. Bitch, like, yeah, take me to jail. Come on.
Fantastic, miss.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. I got my other phone right here. You ain't stopping shit.
Once married to a dude that don't give a fuck about
His big bored ass.
You said what, Zuba?
I'm about to get on my other phone anyway, bitch. You ain't stopping shit, fuck nigga.
Yo, money's stop trying to hit that girl, bro. Yo, pussy. Stop trying to hit that girl.
And Bob, he's a faggot. He like boys with your faggot ass.
Damn, why you argue with the cops, bro?